Guys, today I will show you before workout. Before your workout, you can do this warm up exercise. This is all cardiac warm up. So as a cardiac warm up, you can do foot fire first. Okay. So he will show you how to do foot fire. Not like that. Just simple. Yes. Yes. Foot fire. This is called foot fire. Okay. Now you can do jumping jack. Can you show jumping jack? Yeah. This one jumping jack. Okay. And another you can do a standing run. This is a standing run. Okay. So lots of cardio exercises actually. Next what you will do? Then you can do battle rope. Yes, battle rope you can do. So actually you will do these things this you will do for 1 minute. This will 400 reps, 200 reps. Then front kick, side kick. Yeah. Elbows and knees will be together. Elbow and knees will be together. কুনি এবং হাঁটু একসাথে হয়ে যাবে। পা আরও ওয়াইড হবে। পা ওয়াইড। Legs wide. Good. পা বড় করে রাখেন। হ্যাঁ। Okay. Back kick. Yes. So you are warming up your hip and core. I mean your waist. Yes. Your back core muscle. Yeah. Leg change. Yes. Now you're gonna do inverted row. This is inverted row. You are activating your back muscle. Yeah. Yes, activating back muscle, inverted row with suspension trainer. পাটা একটু সামনে দেন, শুয়ে থাকেন। হ্যাঁ, পিছলে পড়ে দেন না আবার। ওকে, this is called inverted row. Superman. Yes. So this Superman is for activating back muscle. Actually this exercise will activate all the muscles here, all the back muscles from back. Yes, do it. Come on. Wow, very good. Back muscle. Come on. Yes. But just for sample, you don't need to do lots of exercise. Just do for sample, as your viewers can learn. Okay.
Coward.
Okay. So now he's going to do cowbird. Yes. This is cowbird. You can do this exercise in your home. Actually, this is home workout. Yeah. You can do this exercise in the home. Okay. Hands more up. Yes. Okay. And you will exchange in other legs and hand. That's it. Okay. Change. Relax. Okay, so I already showed you beginner level cowbirds. Now this is advanced level. So knees, yes, this is advanced level. This is little tough. Yeah, this is good. Yes, this is tough exercise rather than cowbirds. Yes, that's nice. Yes, okay, change. This is famous. This is now he gonna do a famous workout. Many people know this exercise. They think this is good for their sexual performance. Actually, that is not. That is for pelvic floor and for his waist, waist strength, core strength. Okay. Good bridge. More up. More. Yes. Yes, that's it. More. People mistake this workout. They think this is sexual performance increase. Actually not. This is for pelvic floor muscle. So your urination, you can stop your urine easily. Already did core exercise from your back. Now you will do from your front. That means now you're gonna do abs workout from front. Okay, do it for your abs, core strength, abdominal workout. That will improve your digestion process. Okay. So now you will do boat crunch. Now lie down, lie down, lie down. Okay. Now do boat crunch. Yes. Legs up. Yes. Hold it. Very good. Hold it. Do like this. Yeah. So he is now like a boat. No karmoto. Like a boat. Yeah. You can do 2 sets. Okay.